Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how to use Canva's built-in AI tools to create, edit, and design faster. Open Canva and look at the left-hand panel on the home page. You will see a section called Canva AI. Click on it to open a page that shows all the main AI features in one place. These tools help you write text, design layouts, generate images, and even build simple code projects without needing advanced skills. Start with the Write tool. This is for generating text using AI. You just enter a short prompt or idea, and Canva will write full sentences or paragraphs for you. You can use it to create social media captions, blog posts, product descriptions, or email content. You can choose the tone of the writing, like friendly, professional, or playful. If the first result doesn't work, you can click to regenerate or edit it directly in the text box. Next is the Design tool. This tool helps you build complete designs from a simple text prompt. For example, you can type something like birthday invitation with flowers or minimalist business flyer, and Canva will show you several full templates based on your idea. You can pick one and edit it as usual. It saves you time and gives you a good starting point, especially if you don't want to start from a blank page. Then there is the Code tool. This is a new feature that lets you create small interactive apps or custom tools. You just describe what you want, like a tip calculator or a countdown timer, and Canva generates a working version for you. It uses simple code blocks that you can edit or customize later. You can also embed this tool into your designs, like a web page or presentation. The Image tool lets you create pictures from text. You describe what you want to see, like a mountain at sunset in watercolor style, and Canva will create a few images for you to choose from. You can also change the style, like photo, sketch, or 3D. This helps when you can't find the right stock photo or want something more unique. All these AI tools work directly inside Canva, and you don't need to install anything. They are designed to speed up your workflow and help you turn ideas into visuals, text, and even interactive content with just a few clicks. That is how to use Canva's AI tools step by step. Thanks for watching.